proving that he was not crucified, he was not resurrected, because he was alive. If he is alive, no crucifixion, no resurrection. He was put on the cross and brought down very fast in 3 hours. In 3 hours, it's difficult for a person to die. Therefore, Jesus was alive. When he's brought down, even his 2 crossmates, they are alive, proving that even Jesus was alive. Point number 2. Point number 3, his legs were not broken. What use is a broken leg to a dead man? Proving that he was alive. Point number 4, that the stone was removed and the winding sheets were unbound, proving that Jesus, peace be upon him, was alive. Point number 5, that he was disguised as a gardener. Why? Because he was alive, trying to be saved from the Jews. Point number 6, the tomb was roomy. It was spacious. What use is a spacious tomb for a dead person? Proving Jesus was alive. Point number 7, that when Mary Magdalene goes to touch Jesus, peace be upon him, he says, touch me not. Why? He was a physical body. He was alive. It will hurt him. He was in pain, proving that he was alive. Jesus, peace be upon him, says that I have not yet ascended unto my Father. That means he was alive. Point number 9, Mary Magdalene, not afraid of recognizing Jesus, peace be upon him. Point number 10, that in the upper room, he shows his hands and feet to prove that he was not a spirit, but he was alive. Point number 11, that they were overjoyed to see him. Why? Because they thought he's dead and the spirit form. They were overjoyed to see because he was alive. Point number 12, he ate a piece of broiled fish and honeycomb to prove that he was alive. The disciples had heard from Mary Magdalene that he was alive. Point number 14, the sign of Jonah. As Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the whale, so shall the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth, alive, alive, alive. If he's alive, no crucifixion, no resurrection.